Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mike. I'm a solution engineer here in Michigan, USA. In this video, I will be sharing yung timeline ng aming L1B Intracompany Transfer Visa. There are 4 steps sa pag-process ng L1B visa. First ay yung pag-open or initiate ng visa application sa USCIS. Ito yung US Citizenship and Immigration Services. My visa was applied by the end of December 2022. In this process, I needed to complete yung employee and dependents questionnaires tulad ng personal information, education, and employment history. Kailangan ko din i-provide yung mga supporting documents tulad ng college diploma, transcript of records, payslip from the branch ng company namin sa Philippines, and also yung resume and passport. By January 6, 2023, nasubmit ko lahat ito sa aming immigration lawyer via online or portal ang submission. Second step is yung preparation, like visa appointment instructions, support letter, and education evaluation. Kasama din dito yung pag-schedule ng visa appointment sa US Embassy through online yung pag-submit ng non-immigrant visa application form. Form DS-160 yung tawag nila. Kailangan accurate at complete yung pagsagot sa questionnaires. Pwede kasi na ma-reschedule yung visa interview appointment kapag may mali or kulang na information. February 3, 2023, nung nakakuha ng schedule yung HR namin for our visa appointment on February 22, 2023. For L1B visa, may binibigay na available slots or schedules ang US Consulate for employers na may US entity. Kaya nakakuha agad sila ng schedule for us. Third is the completion of L1B document or the petition and yung pag-receive sa ENCO. On February 15, 2023, na-receive ko online lahat ng needed documents to be presented sa US Embassy. The immigration lawyer from the US sent me the hard copy na natanggap namin day before our interview. Final step is the interview at the US Embassy last February 22, 2023. After 2 weeks, March 2, 2023, na-pick up ko na sa LBC branch yung mga passports namin with our L1 and L2 visa. In total, the processing period for our L1B visa lasted for 2 months. Ang akala namin, makaalis kami papuntang Amerika by April 2023. But from here, natagalan na sa pag-process ng other requirements at approval ng Department of Migrant Workers ng Pinas. While waiting for DMW's approval, nagpa-medical muna ako last June 1, 2023. In L1B visa, though kasama ko yung aking family as my dependents, ako lang yung may kailangan na magpa-medical. Sa medical papuntang US, may psychological at physical exam. By June 5, 2023, nakuha ko na yung results. June 20, 2023, na-receive na namin yung approval ng DMW. And by God's grace, nakapag-book na kami ng flight last June 30, 2023. In total, the waiting period for L1B Intracompany Transfer Visa application to our flight to the US is 6 months. Hopefully, nakatulong ito sa inyo guys, lalo na for those processing their intra-company transfer. Specifically for @I'mHale, who requested for this video. Thanks for watching and God bless.